My name is Faika Nur Adlina binti Muhammad Razi, and my metric number is A181867. I'm going to talk about the introduction. The problem that we are facing are we are not sure of our environment cleanliness and hygiene. As we all living in this pandemic, we don't know who is spreading the virus. The project was inspired by an Instagram post showing that a sanitizer device to clean makeup brushes in a container. We thought it is a suitable device for the current pandemic situation, but we modify it to become for external use and built-in power bank. Our objective is to create a device where we can ensure a germ-free environment, and the device is compactable where we can bring it with us wherever we go, and also affordable as everyone can own it.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Muhammad Hussaini bin Hasnim, and today I'm going to present about product design of our project. So our product, which is a power bank, will be using a 18650 lithium-ion rechargeable battery, and the power bank will require 3 batteries. So we have to compromise the design with the battery size. As you can see here, the battery size is 65mm in length and 18mm in width. We have compromised the design to be 66.5mm in length, 90mm in height, 20mm plus 2mm in width. This is the multi-view design of our product. We have the top view, the side view, and the front view. On the top view, we have 2 panels, and on the front view, we have a USB port and also a micro USB port. And this is the isometric design of our product. And this is the assembly drawing of our product. We have the 3 batteries, 4 screws, the body, the case of the product, the cover of the product, and also the PCB of the product which will be used. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shazwan Akmal bin Zainal Abidin. My metric number is A180483. Today, I would like to talk about the technical part, which that CEE part. So that before we wasting our time, so let me to show and explain for that parts. So before we go to the further explanation about the CAE part, just give me a chance to tell us about our product. From our product, we are designed to make a portable sanitizer device that used to sanitize our environmental by using the UV light. The second function of our device is charge or supply the power of our electronics device such as phone, headphone, and others. So that are all about our product. So let's go to the explanation about the CAE part. So now we are in the next part of the video. In the video, it will tell us about the explanation of the CAE part in our project. So as we can see, there are circuits in the slide that I have drawing by using the OrCAD application. As we can see in the circuit, we have 8 components that are capacitor, resistor, transistor, lithium-ion battery, 2 of UV light, UV flashlight, LED light, and 2 of header. Basically, as we can see from the circuit, the jumper one, which is J1, connect to the VDC, which is the lithium-ion battery that we use the symbol of VDC. So as we can see the function of the header that used for charging the device and for power up, for supply the power source for the electronic device. So the first J1 is used to charge the device by charging the battery of our device. So as we can see, the VDC or the lithium ion battery are connected to the resistor, transistor, and the capacitor. And also the LED, exactly, the LED is just a symbol for the UV flashlight LED light. So as we can see that the resistor are connected to the battery too. So basically resistor are used for the controlling the current flow in the circuit so that the device does not overpower. The second component that are connect to the VDC or our battery, which is lithium ion battery, that is capacitor. As we can see, the function of the capacitor is used to store the current, which means the current that flow in the circuit, and the function of the capacitor to make sure the current flow in the circuit efficiently by change it from the store of the current to the as a source of the current. So it is a source of the our device too. So the second component of the circuit that connect to the third component that are connected to the VDC, which that's the lithium ion battery, is transistor. So as we can see, the feature of the transistor allow the slow signal, which means a current low from the circuit that have a lower resistance to the higher resistance. As we can see, the LED are connected to the VDC too. So the function of the UV flashlight black light is to kill the bacteria virus by ultraviolet spectrum that can inactive the pathogen, which that the virus and the bad bacteria. And also header 2, which that the J2 are connect to the circuit 2, or header 2 or J2 are used for supplying the power from the battery or the capacitor to the another device such as phone, headphone, AirPods, and others electronic device. So all that are from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello all. My name is Nushakin binti Zamaniwi and my metric number is A181678. As you can see here, we are using lithium ion battery and UV light. That is because lithium ion battery helps fast to charge, low maintenance, cost effective and high energy density. UV light is actually good option for sanitation because it kills bacteria regardless of drug resistance and without toxic chemical. UV light also destroys the molecular bonds that hold together the DNA of virus and bacteria. Our compatible sanitizer device is made to protect ourselves from all germ-related sickness. Also, prevent the spread of harmful bacteria and germs in your home and public spaces. And last but not least, help maintain health by promoting a good hygiene.
In the conclusion, we hope that our project will ensure a germ-free environment to help the world fight against the COVID-19 virus and all the virus in the near future, as our product is compactable and also affordable. Lastly, don't forget to stay safe.
Don't forget to wash your body every day.
Don't forget to wear a mask.
Follow the SOP and stay at home.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you guys.